Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, this cryptodad. In today's video, I'll be showing us how to send the ring token from your Roqqu account to any of your wallets. So I'll be sending the particular amount of ring token I'm having to my Binance wallet. You can also use this method I'll be showing you to send any coin from your Roqqu account to your Binance account or any of your wallets. I'll just be sending the particular amount I'm having. I'll be sending my wallet balance to my Binance account right now. And also you can purchase coin on Roqqu. So for you to purchase coin, you just need to make a deposit. You have to make a deposit into your Roqqu account, and before you're able to make a deposit, you need to verify your account. If you need a video on how to use Roqqu to purchase coin, or if you need the full review of Roqqu, so you just need to comment in the comment section. You just need to comment that you need a review of the Roqqu app on how to get started, everything you need to know about this Roqqu app. So you can purchase your coin, any coin from this app. You can purchase BTC, you can purchase Ethereum, USDT Litecoin, XRP, and you can send it from your Roqqu app to your Binance app or any other wallet. So I'll just be taking us through on how to make withdrawal of my ring token to my Binance account. I'll just be going over to the ring. I'm having this particular amount of ring right now. I'll just be making a send. I'll just click on this send. And if you want to receive token, you just need to click on this receive. And there are some coins here that their wallet address is not yet updated. So like if I want to send the Wakanda Inu, if I click on receive, the Wakanda Inu wallet is not yet available, so it will be updated very soon. There are some coins like that the wallet address haven't been updated. So like this also, it haven't been updated. In case you want to purchase coins like that, you can just purchase it on Roqqu. Then you can just leave it on the app, or if you don't want to leave it, you can just go ahead to buy their major coins. If you want to purchase mana here and you want to send to your Binance account, but the sending and the receiving function is not yet activated, so I will advise us to buy the major coins. You can just buy USDT, then you just need to send the USDT to your Binance account. So from Binance account, you can just make a swap into the particular coin you want. So you just need to purchase USDT. You need to purchase USDT. After you've purchased USDT, you just need to go ahead to click on this send. Then you have to enter the amount you want to send, and you also need to enter your TRX address. That's the way for you to get coins that their address haven't been updated. So you just need to buy their major coins. Then you have to go over to Binance to convert to the particular coin you want. I'll be making a withdrawal of ring. I just need to go over to click on this send. So I want to make a send. I'll just click on send. Then I'll be asked to enter my TRC20 wallet address. So I just need to go over to Binance. Then I need to copy the address. After that, I need to enter the amount I want to send. I'll be seeing the amount I'll be charged. I'll be charged $0.01. That is, I'll be charged 100 ring as network fee. After I've inputted the address, I just need to click on this proceed. I'll be copying my address right now. I'll be going over to Binance. I'm on my Binance app right now. The market is experiencing a fall, like there's a great dip right now. So I will advise us to stay away from the market. I'll be going over to my wallet. Then I'll be going over to the sports wallet. I'll just be searching for the ring token. I'll search for ring. So I'll just select ring. This is the ring. I'm having this particular balance right now. I got this amount of ring from a mining app. You can just go over to my videos to get access to the mining app. I'll also be dropping a video link in this video description. So for me to make a deposit, I just need to click on this deposit button. Then I need to select the network here. I'll be selecting TRC20 network because the network here is also TRC20. I'll just be going back. Then I'll select this network. After I've selected the network, I'll be seeing my address here. I just need to copy this address. Then I'll be going back to the Roqqu app. I'll just paste in the address here. I'll be entering the amount I want to send. I want to send the total amount. So I want to send the total amount I'm holding. I just need to click on this proceed. But we see here that the minimum sent amount is 10,000 worth of the token, and I'm having 1,300 worth of the token. So I'll just be making a purchase. I'll just be going back. For you to make a purchase, you just need to fund your Roqqu account. I'll just be purchasing a little amount. I'll just click on this buy. So let's say I want to buy this particular amount. I'll just click on this proceed purchase. I'll be spending this amount. I just need to click on this accept. So So the purchase is successful. I just need to click on this continue. I'm having 10,000 worth of the token. I'll be making a send right now. I just click on send. I'll paste my Binance address. I'll enter the amount I want to send. I'll be sending the total amount. Proceed. I'll be entering my pin. After I've entered my pin, I just need to click on this complete. So the link sent successfully. I just need to wait for the confirmation. I'll be going over to this transaction area. When you come over to the transaction, you'll be seeing the details of the transaction you made. I made a withdrawal of Roqqu token. It was sent to my Binance address. I'll be going over to my Binance app to confirm. I'll go over to the wallet and I'll just refresh this page. I'm going over to the spot account. Then I'll just click on this link. The deposit won't arrive. I just need to wait for a little time. I'll just be refreshing this page right now. And I'll be clicking on this link. My deposit from the Roqqu app has been completed. I'm having this particular balance right now. So guys, if you want a full review on how to use the Roqqu app, you just need to comment under the comment section. You just need to comment full review of the Roqqu app, and I'll find the time to make a perfect video on how to get started by using the Roqqu app to purchase cryptocurrency instead of you going to an exchange to buy cryptocurrencies. So you can just buy directly from the Roqqu app. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscription button and also turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop any video. Stay cool guys.